And I ran and ran and jumped on my
Chocolate cake. When I was a boy, I had a
fridge. Once I went to the fast food. A hamburger sat on his orange and bursted, and Alfred put one of those little chocolate Swiss rolls in his butt. Wonderful. And then we sat on Lloyd's orange, all slimy. The new teacher said, "What does your mother say about that?" And George just fell over and died. Wonderful. Conversations with the fridge. Do you want an apple? What do you want then? Do you want something to eat? Now, if you don't stop it, I'm going to string you up from the wall bars.